Good afternoon. Welcome to beautiful Surprise, Arizona. I am in the community called the Orchards. So Orchards is in a great location. You're pretty close to pretty much everything. Costco, schools, the grocery store. Everything's pretty close by and you have a lot of selection. A lot of great things happening out here in Surprise, Arizona. So this amazing home is a unique property. Not only does it have one primary bedroom, but it has two on the first and second floor. It is in a little cul-de-sac, which is awesome. Not a lot of people drive through. And you side and back a greenbelt. I mean, what could be any better? Lots of privacy. Large lot. There's your new home. So yeah, it is a 5-bedroom house with a loft, super spacious, formal living, casual living, and it is 3.5 bathrooms. We're gonna check out this amazing home. You have a lot of parking right here. It looks like you could fit about 4 vehicles, give or take, depending on size. And you have this awesome overpass right here, so your car doesn't roast in the sun. And then of course the traditional 2-car garage. Neighbors, so you have some good spacing between. You have this cute porch patio area right here. Lots of mature trees and plants. Beautiful cactuses. And yes, this is a great little private lot. Lots of room to grow. Some great outdoor space. You have the view fence over here, so it just makes it feel bigger. And we're gonna head on inside. Okay. So welcome home. Up front, we have this really good, large size family room. So there's a lot of large ceiling fans. This one, they had a whole media setup going on, which is nice. A very cozy, good sized room. This is in the front of the house. You have this formal dining area or office space, however you'd like to use it. There's great lighting. You don't feel enclosed. And a beautiful staircase, super tall ceilings. It's a really nice, spacious, grand home. You have a half bath right here. There is tile floors throughout. This is the beautiful kitchen. And lots of storage in here. And there is gas at the property, which is wonderful. You have KitchenAid appliances, a gas top, microwave, matching dishwasher, and a Whirlpool fridge. And again, this is a very large, great layout home. Some of these windows are newer. Have a large slider, pretty open kitchen. I'm gonna head down this way. You have storage right here. A wide 2-car garage with a sink, soft water loop. You can get outside from in here. Some cabinets. We're coming down this way. You have the master bath. Walk-in closet, which is amazing. All these built-ins. And a very large master bedroom. Ceiling fans in all the rooms, which is wonderful. And we're gonna head this way. So up here you have another primary bedroom, a loft, and 3 more bedrooms and another bathroom. So this is your second primary. First floor one is bigger, but you have a great size room. Definitely could fit some king beds. Another walk-in closet. This one has a tub shower combo. Double sinks. And you have this loft area or bedroom, whatever you're thinking. There are blinds in all the windows. Paint is in great shape. Beautiful staircase. Nice tall ceilings. Right, we have another bedroom up here. So this is a little smaller, but still a pretty good size room. Again, some of these windows have been replaced, which is awesome. Another walk-in closet. Bathroom. Bedroom. Bedroom. Laundry. Now we will head on down. Okay, you have a beautiful back lot. It's a premium lot, lots of views. You are right next to a park area. Again, green belt to the back, green belt to the side. Low maintenance yard, turf and rock. This is the back end. And yeah, so this is a large, beautiful home. We are out here in Surprise, Arizona, the Orchards. If it's a home you want more info on, want to see if you can qualify to purchase this beautiful property, please reach out. And if you haven't already, Please like and subscribe to my channel. We are constantly putting up amazing properties throughout the valley. Would love to help you move into your next home, your first home, or maybe there's a family member that's needing some help with real estate. I'd love to be your go-to. Have an awesome day.